So here you go. I'm gonna try my knife right now. So this part of my knife, it has a grip right here. So when you hold onto the knife, it holds firmly into your hand. You know, and it's not too big. It's just good enough. Watch how good this one is. It's so sharp. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on the knife. So look, this knife is so sharp. And it has, see the name? Right length, right size, it's not too big. You can just easily take it anywhere you're going. You see how cut these things smoothly? Look at that. So guess what? The link is down below. Please go and purchase this knife because this knife is very good so far. So good. Now I am about to check try the peeler. Let you see how good the peeler is. Here's a peeler. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's cutting this thing, it's just peeling off. Look at that. Look at that, barely no pressure you have to use. So this is a brand new piece of tool. What I got. Look at that. Look at that, you can use this to peel any potatoes, carrot, anything. Look at that, look at that. It will cut it all, it will shred it all the way down to nothing. Look at that. Look at that. So people, please go and get your knife. Please go and get your knife set. Please go and get your knife set. Stainless steel block knife set, 7 pieces. Please go and get it. Please go and get it before it run out. This is a very good choice you ever make. Yes, my people, welcome back. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. So today we are going to do some chicken wings, and we're going to make mashed potato, and we're going to make steamed vegetable. So I'm already cleaning my chicken, and I'm about to season my chicken. I have some Jack Daniel season. Then I have some chicken seasoning. I'm just adding just a little bit. I have my garlic powder. And also I have my total seasoning. I'm gonna dry rub them. Just dry rub my wings. So I'm gonna make my chicken marinate for a little bit, 5 to 10 minutes, because it's well cold, and the seasoning just want 2 eggs on my chicken. I'm peeling my potato for So yes, my people, so I'm going to use my cast iron skillet to fry my chicken wing. You know, the cast iron, it holds a lot of heat. So when the heat's in the bottom, it just go like this. The heat just go like that. So it get hot from in the middle, and it holds that heat. So that can give you the good, keep the temperature the right way how you want it. Now I have some flour here. I'm going to add a little garlic powder in my flour. I'm going to add a little bit, just a sprinkle. And also I'm going to add a little of my Jack Daniel seasoning, and just a sprinkle as well. I'm gonna add some black pepper as well. Who you gonna drop?
crispy. Yeah, just let it, yeah, it's gonna be like maybe about another like 20 minutes. That's not funny.
So yes, my people, so now I'm gonna make some garlic and
Just like some garlic mashed potatoes, you're gonna put some onions in it.
All my green onion. Habanero, Scotch bonnet. This is my Scotch bonnet. And I turn my stove off. I'm gonna put all my ingredients in here too. I'm gonna add just a little tahini. Just a little tahini. So my people, I'm gonna do my steamed vegetable. So over here I have my broccoli, my asparagus, I have spinach, bell pepper, collard greens, and cabbage. So I'm going to be start cutting up everything now and get them together, put them in my pot for 5 minutes, and that's about it. The collard green is going to be there for a little more than 5 minutes, so I'm get starting with my collard greens first. The collard greens is a little harder than the cabbage and all of that, so I'm going to give it a little extra 2 minutes and my time. I'm adding my thyme. So yes guys, so now I'm gonna make the gravy for my potato.
TikTok princess wants to get in the box,
I'm gonna make my gravy. I'm gonna start with some butter. I'm adding the flour little by little. And little by little, I'm doing the flour. And I'm gonna add a little my chicken broth. As soon as it's all come together like that, then I'm gonna add some seasoning. Some seasoning to taste. I'm gonna add a little more chicken broth, just a little more. I'm gonna add a little garlic powder and a little total seasoning. And this is my favorite, my Maggie. To the last end, I add my Miss Maggie. I just put a copper spray in there, not a lot. So I'm adding just a little bit of sugar. Just a little bit of sugar. just for the taste. See that nice gravy? Okay, see you at the table when I'm gonna eat my. So yes, my people, so this is the moment you're waiting for. I'm going to be eating this nice, delicious meal. Stay tuned. Everything come off the bone. So guess what? I'm not gonna be standing here eating in front of you guys. I'm gonna ask you to like, share, and subscribe. The recipe is in the link below. So like, share, and subscribe. Check my bio for the recipe. I have to finish my meal. So like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.